how to disconnect contacts from TikTok. First of all, go ahead and open up the Settings app on your phone. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. On this page, scroll down to find or search for TikTok in the search bar, and then tap on it to open. You will then be taken to the TikTok settings page. Then, go to Contacts. Here, you can choose who can get your contacts access. From here, select None. This means that TikTok will no longer have access to your contacts. You can also repeat the same for your photos or location to disconnect them from TikTok if you want. Following these steps, you can easily disconnect contacts from TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.